Hey everybody, I'm Josh.
And I'm Rachel.
And today we're going to show you our room. We're at New York in the Marquis Suite. We're super excited to check it out because there is a hot tub in the room.
Oh yeah. And we're hoping for a good view, so see you in there.
See you in there. All right, this is a room tour of room 554 here at New York. It is a Marquis Suite. Directly to your left, you have a bathroom. No separate room for the toilet, so it's kind of more of an old school. You'll kind of notice that as you look throughout the room. There is some updating needing. Single sink. You've got your blow dryer right there. Big mirror. Lots of towels. They've been doing good with the towels. Regular shower. Regular tub. Water pressure is good. We are only on the 5th floor, so you would hope so. Out here, you've got a nice little spot to put your stuff down. Then over here, this is what separates this from a basic room here, I would say for sure. It is a nice sized tub. You can have 2 people in on the edges. If you're real wild, you could probably get 4 people in there. I don't know what you're doing though, but it sounds like Vegas. Then a little bench out here. I don't know. I'd have a hard time understanding when I'd sit there. If you have ever had this room before and you sat on the bench outside there, let me know why. Keep it PG, please. Then over here, you've got a desk. You do have a connecting room. We did not want to be connected to them, though. They were hollering last night. Not in the good way. Over here, you've got a couple lamps by the king-size bed. Phone. You can see by where we plugged in the phone, it is not simple to get to. It's actually behind the bed. So, plugins are definitely not in the best situation. But, like we said, king-size bed. You've got a nice-sized TV, 42 inches or so. You've got a closet on one side. 3 drawers in the middle. Closet on the other side. It does have Bose speakers. I'm actually not sure how to connect it to the TV, though. So that's unfortunate. One really nice thing here, though, is the fridge. Got a mini fridge. You can get your drinks down there. And we are pretty close to a Walgreens and an ABC store. Over here, you got your lamp. We actually brought the coffee maker. If you're interested in that, go ahead and just leave a comment down below. It worked out really well for us this time. Nice chair. Dining room table with 4 seats. And our view is mostly of the rooftop, but we do have the roller coaster view, so it's actually kind of cool to watch that. But that is the room. Once again, this is the Marquis Suite here at New York. You do get a cool view of the roller coaster, which is running right now. I will say one downside about being at this level is that down there, those are lights, and they do shine. So you do want to close your blinds, but still got a roller coaster view. Thanks for checking out our videos. If you enjoy more Las Vegas videos, including hotels, restaurants, and slot videos, make sure to check out more.
Also, follow us on our social media platforms. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. All the links are down below.
Thank you.